Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiran Nagargoje. Today we are diving deep into single most excited topic. So AI agents, how we can create AI agent. We are not just talking about chatbot and response to the prompt. We are talking about autonomous system that can be think, plan, use tool and working together in a team, and that is called as agentic system. And how we can create that agentic system or simple agent with different frameworks. So as a title, how to create AI agent, we are going from traditional agent to modern frameworks, and we will see the Python code in itself. There are different frameworks available: LangChain, LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, and MCP also. If you are student, developer, or professional, this video is useful for you and it is completely blueprint. We are going to journey from foundation of traditional agent to the modern frameworks. So we go for the next slide. This is what is an agent: traditional AI agent, modern agent architecture, LangChain agent, LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, and choosing your framework as per your requirement. So make sure you stick around until the end because we are showing very interesting agent creations with Python code also. And we will break down exactly how to choose right frameworks for your specific project and look a full production ready implementation. Now, what is an AI agent? AI agent is autonomous system that perceive or take signals from environment, think it, reason about it, and decided on actions and execute them to achieve a specific goal in loop without constant human intervention. So perceive, it may be take a sense from environment, text data, API, or different. Reason, it can be used LLM, local or rule to plan. Act, execute tool, call API, run code, or send in messages. And loop, observe, return what has to be done and do the looping if required. Now, AI agent is autonomous entity which has to be decided on the course of action and execute this action to achieve the specific goal. There is a magic in a loop without constant human intervention. There is no human intervention per se. Now we go for the next, that is the traditional AI agents. Before large language model or LLM, the agents is there. Basically, there are two types of agent. One is the reflex agent and second one is state-based agent. Now we are hearing the AI agent are a brand new, long before the large language model arrived. Developer build agent using deterministic code also. Means before LLM came in the market, the agent is there. But such type of agent I have shown to code and type of agent in front of you. The simple reflex agent and state-based agent. The code is in Python. You can see the simple rule-based agent is there. Here the definition reflects agent, and here I have mentioned the class of it for the state machine agent. If you have see, if the percentage is that one, if else loop is there, and agent will be taking in action. Means act purely on current perception using if then rules. No memory, no planning for the simple reflex agent. And in a state-based agent, maintain internal state, enable multi-step behavior wrapping. So what is limitation here? The limitation is rigid rule, no learning, cannot handle ambiguity, and it is totally rule based. Means it could not take a decision on whatever the new scenario will become or not. But LLM, it changed everything. It changed the game about AI agent. While this traditional approach are highly predictive, means we can predict what will be there. But in right now, with help of LLM, we cannot predict about the behavior of agent because it's totally depend on the input and learning. They have massive limitations. They are incredibly rigid and they cannot learn. And the moment they are encounter ambiguity or an unexpected input, they break. That is the limitation and basic limitation. If we are giving unseen or undefined data within that particular rule-based agent, that is totally break. It has to be ambiguity, encounter ambiguity, it is also break. But now the modern LLM has to be power that can be tackle of such type of things. So this is a modern LLM power agent architecture where we have input, we have memory, we are taking decision, we are using different tools, and we are planning. We have brain. So means it observe, reason, and then acting a loop. Now building an AI agent with tool, that is also I have giving code of it, and where I have giving some installation about some basic libraries or frameworks, then LLM plus tool, agent limit, and result also. So using this code, we can create a agent with help of different tools. Now it is a stateful and multi-step graph agent also. Means it is we can create an agent using LangChain library. So you have seen the importing the LangChain framework, installing that LangChain LLM tool, and agent is there. Here you can see the after importing about, I can highlight this one. After importing about LangChain libraries, we are initialize LLM, means LLM OpenAI temperature we are mentioning 0, defining tools, which tools we are using, search, duck search, run, and tools, whatever tools we are using, and create agent is agent is equal to initialize agent and tools LLM, which LLM we have to be mentioning here, and this is steps to create a basic agent using LangChain. Now same for LangGraph. We are importing LangGraph libraries. We are creating a class with agent state where message, list, next steps, and str. And here we are building a graph. workflow is equal to state graph, and we are adding nodes as per the requirements. Here we are adding three nodes: classify, weather tool, and general. And then we are set the entry point of that graph and adding conditions about it. The why the land graph is very popular because it is best for complex workflow, rack pipeline, approach flow, and retry route. So that is basic multi-agent collaboration in Python. So I have created the agent with help of CrewAI. Same define agent here, researcher, writer, and in writer I have mentioned the LLM has to be in OpenAI, and we are creating two agent here. One is researcher agent and second one is a writer agent, and define the task research and write about it. So this is the agent which has to be collaboratively work from different frameworks together. Now, what is the action or goal of researcher agent? It is LLM has to be act has to be like research. What is a writer agent? A writer agent has to be role like write a paper, and that is a task of chaining. Means after research it should be right, and sequence hierarchical and parallel, as you can choose as per the our requirement. Now AutoGen, it is from Microsoft. It is also good framework for creating agent. Here we are creating agent for assistant, and which has to be working like assistant for any task, and agentic code is generation, data analysis, and research automation. That is also good for one. So choose your frameworks, which one has to be more important, and limitations and feature. LangChain is the best for simple tool use agent. LangGraph is useful complex multi-step workflow. CrewAI is used for role-based agent team, and AutoGen is conversational like RAG and other applications, and MCP is tool and model interoperability. That is useful this one. Now agent tool, so that has to be API tools, code execution, file tools, data tools, and custom tools. So memory in agent, there are two types of memory we can include it in agent: long term and short term. So as per our requirement, we can creating memory objects and define in a same. Now it is uh, when we moving from local script to the production ready agent full example. So always sure you should have to be check your checklist, core checklist in mind, and always combine your reliable base model with the structure tool. Now we are going for the it is one production ready full example. We are mentioning different agents, prompting, memory. See, there are tools which we have mentioned. There is a memory which we have defined. There is a prompt and there is